So I think we are online now. Welcome everyone. Welcome to the first Dutch LabVIEW user group online session. My name is Pascal Heinen and I will be your host for today. Um, Before we start with our presentations, I have a few things I want to talk about. The first of which is the agenda. We have three nice presentations, one of Martin Vernhout. He will be talking about acquisition for the practical engineer. Then we have a small coffee break. Jeff Kodowski will then be speaking about the target structure and the channel research that he is doing, which is amazing. I had a sneak peek and it's yeah. Then we have another break, and then I will be doing a code review for a hobby project that I did for Tetris on FPGA. Let me see. Yes. So first about us, we are the Dutch LabVIEW user group. We were founded in 2017. And since then, we have been doing 4 meetings in person a year in Eindhoven. And this online session is because of the recent developments that is going on all over the world. I'm pretty sure everyone knows what I'm talking about. And we thought, let's do it online and let's make it available for everyone, especially for people who never went to a user group, because a user group is very important. At the user group, you will meet your peers, you will meet other LabVIEW programmers, and you will be able to learn from them, which is really, really important if you want to excel at your job and just make progress in your work. Beneath at the PowerPoint sheet, you will see the people who made this happen. Thank you very much, everyone. It's almost impossible without these people, so thank you. And for the people who do not know what a user group is, it's a meeting of LabVIEW enthusiasts, and it looks a little bit like you see here. It can be at a social gathering or at a company. People from different companies will gather there and present their LabVIEW experiences, talk to each other. You can network there, and this is how you can keep your LabVIEW knowledge at a high level and stay up to date with the recent developments. Even for the lone LabVIEW programmer, this is very important, because one tip or one library, one package that is shown at a user group can help you so much in your daily work that you can solve problems that you maybe deemed impossible in the past. So for the lone programmer, this is a very important platform to do. So when I quote Chris Cellino, so I hope I'm not butchering his last name, sorry Chris. A LabVIEW user group is a small local gathering of LabVIEW enthusiasts who want to gain experience in programming with LabVIEW and/or the NI platform in the context of a community. So there are multiple LabVIEW user groups in the world, and if you want to find one that is in the neighborhood from where you are working or where you live, please go to the NI website, go to the community, the user groups, and then the local user groups. You will also find the URL of this webpage in the description of the YouTube channel for your convenience. There are, I think, hundreds of LabVIEW user groups. Try to find one in your neighborhood and go there. It's really amazing. Now with the recent developments in the world, maybe some are only online, but yeah, try to connect with other LabVIEW enthusiasts and start learning. Also, if you cannot find a LabVIEW user group, maybe it's an idea to start your own user group. And when I go one sheet back, the LabVIEW user groups Built to Last by Chris is a very good resource to figure out how you can do that best. So at the Dutch LabVIEW user group, we meet 4 times a year. We have typically 2 presentations. We have one presentation, then a discussion. Then we have a social platform where we eat something, where we talk to each other, etc. Then we go back to the room and we do the second presentation. And all presentations are done by volunteers, like the presentations that are done today in the group. So you will be able to watch the presentations, but if you have a good topic, or maybe you want to do a code review of the code you are doing at work, that can also be a good topic for a user group meeting. Then about this stream, we have 3 presentations, and during the presentations you can ask questions in the YouTube chat. The chat is monitored. I have a team in the background here who are monitoring the chat and gathering all the questions. Then at the end of each presentation, if there is time, we will answer a few, hopefully all questions, but at least a few. And if your question is not answered, please send your question to DutLUG@vitech.nl, and we will make sure that we forward it to the presenter and you will get your answer. And then lastly, recertification points. It is possible to get 5 recertification points towards your CLD, CLA, or CLED, which will help you recertify. If you have 50 points, you do not have to do the recertification exam, but your certification will be prolonged for the period that the different certifications are permitted. So the CLD is, I think, 4 years, CLA is 5 years, and the CLED is 6 years, if I'm correct. I could be mistaken. But for just watching this, this stream, you can get 5 points. Send an email with your name, email address, and the certification you want the points awarded towards to, again, DutLUG@vitech.nl, and I will make sure that it is forwarded to Natural Instruments, and you will get the points awarded. We will do nothing else with this certificate, with this information. After I forwarded all your information, I will delete your email and not use it. And then if you will be visiting other user groups, or you will be presenting in a user group, you can also gain 5 points or 10 points for presenting. So 5 points for attending and 10 points for presenting. Okay, so I have to look in the chat 1 second. Okay, I think that's it. So Martin, are you